This is a video tutorial for making antiviral nose oil. This oil, when applied in and under the nose, offers a layer of virus-killing protection. Use it when going to the grocery store or caring for a sick loved one. This is a simple formula using 2 oils, 1 part thyme essential oil, 3 parts carrier oil, in this case argan oil. During viral times like these, you really want this nose oil to be as strong as possible, but not so strong that it burns you. We found a really nice balance at 1 part essential oil to 3 parts carrier oil. Feel free to adjust this to your personal needs. We're going to be making our oil directly in these 1/4 size dram bottles. We ordered these on Amazon. This dropper came with these 1/4 size dram bottles. I'll link to those bottles below. Begin with 3 full droppers of your carrier oil in each bottle. If you don't have access to argan oil, feel free to use any other type of carrier oil. Some examples would be olive oil, apricot oil, avocado oil, almond oil, or really any oil of your choosing. Next, add 1 full dropper of pure thyme essential oil to each bottle. Thyme essential oil has the constituent thymol, which is known to kill viruses on contact. You can also use other virus-killing essential oils like oregano oil or thieves oil. Next, add your stopper. When using, add 2 to 3 drops in and under each nostril. Don't forget to shake, and enjoy your herbal oil. For more videos and plant teachings, visit Wild Medicine School at the link below.